Energy makes us free. In a globalized world, no matter place or time, society demands a reliable, efficient supply of energy. HIMOINSA manufactures generating sets and related equipment that provide functional, safe, environmentally respectful energy where others do not reach. With over 25 years' experience and a solid presence in the sector, HIMOINSA is the world leader in the production of high-performance generators and machinery for the generation of energy. A privileged position in the market thanks to the quality of our product and a constant innovation enable HIMOINSA to be in the avant-garde of the market and adapt to new demands in the sector. Quality, our personal seal. Generating sets, lighting towers, welder sets, onboard auxiliary power units, tractor units, electronic devices and control and power panels. The wide range of products manufactured by HIMOINSA provides solutions to each client's specific needs through a professional service and personalized attention. Proximity, our determination. With an annual production of over 34,000 units and a much higher production capacity, HIMOINSA is present in over 100 countries in all 5 continents, with 6 production plants and 12 commercial subsidiaries. HIMOINSA was born in Murcia, southeast Spain. Its headquarters occupies over 80,000 square meters in 3 production plants. However, HIMOINSA wanted to be close to its customers around the world to offer them its products and services in a personalized manner. During these 2 decades, new HIMOINSA commercial offices and logistics centers have opened in Europe, Middle East, Asia and America. Innovation, our constant goal. From its origins, HIMOINSA has been committed to constant innovation for offering versatile products and new solutions to new demands. In order to achieve this target, HIMOINSA invests every year 5% of its turnover in engineering, research and development. Not in vain, HIMOINSA has pioneered, among other things, the achievement and development of the highest soundproof levels in the market. One more environmentally friendly contribution has been the elimination of acoustic pollution, to which we can also add the incorporation of fireproof, non-contaminating washable materials. As a vertical manufacturer, HIMOINSA offers extra values. Through its research and development centers, HIMOINSA designs the main components: alternators, panels, bodyworks, electronics. This implies overall control and knowledge of the product, which translates into confidence and service capacity for users and customers. Training, our strategic investment. HIMOINSA has a dynamic team of highly qualified professionals who undergo constant training. The introduction of innovations in the production processes, the continuous training of the staff, and the incorporation of the most modern technology have made HIMOINSA a manufacturer with the greatest productive versatility. Clients in public works, construction, mining, airports, hospitals, the army, telecom companies, sport, music or major events have trusted HIMOINSA from its beginnings. Safety, our way of producing. Today, HIMOINSA has a highly automated production system in the component manufacturing processes, assembly, and the final testing and commissioning phase, assuring a safe and reliable product delivery. HIMOINSA also applies strict quality controls before delivering the goods to the distribution and logistics center, from where they'll be sent to the rest of the world. The entire production process has been designed to comply with international health and safety regulations at work, quality and the environment. we do things. HIMOINSA goes even further. We have the necessary resources to respond to our customers in real time, at any moment and under any circumstances. HIMOINSA guarantees a close, fast technical assistance and spare parts service, in addition to a high-quality, versatile, cost-effective product that generates cleaner, safer energy. Each new dawn, nature gives us the gift of energy. Where nature cannot reach, HIMOINSA can. HIMOINSA, the energy.